Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. This video is going to be a really mini tutorial on the Madam Glam like gel UV light nails, but the real point of this video is to show you guys how to get that tackiness off at the end because sometimes they feel a little sticky. So I'm going to buff my nails first, do my natural nails, then I'm going to do a base coat. The key to this is to do thin layers, but more than that I have a tip at the end. But as you can see when I put this on, I mean it's not great in focus, we get better, but it was kind of a thick layer. Then we're going to put it under the UV light. This is the one that came with the kit. And then I'm going to do the other side. This side you guys can see much better, and I also have like better control over the nail polish at this point because like I was used to using it by now. So this is the base coat, and I never redip the wand because like you want it to be a thin coat. So then we're going to put this back under the UV light. When you press a little button, you could do it for like once or twice. When you take your hand out, it's still going to have a little bit of a stickiness to it, but that's okay because by the time you put that next coat on, it cures the coat underneath. So this is in Bright Honey, and this is the, again, Madam Glam nail, and so I kind of learned my lesson on this one, and what I did was I just quickly went over each nail with one stroke just to get this color off the actual wand. I was super messy on this hand. I don't know why. I'm a righty and this was righty and I was just super messy, but anyway, then we're going to cure that. Then we're going to put another layer on top of that. We're going to cure it, and then we're going to do the top coat. I don't show all of that, but what I want to show you guys now is how to get that tackiness off. So this is rubbing alcohol. I'm using 91%, but I think anything above like 70% is great. And to the touch, which is what I'm trying to show you in this part, is they're tacky, and they feel like they're not cured all the way. So what you're going to do is take a cotton ball and you're going to really drench it in the rubbing alcohol. And this seems crazy, but you want to rub each nail with the rubbing alcohol, and it literally takes off the tackiness, and it just gives you a beautiful, gorgeous shine. If you don't saturate that cotton ball, the cotton ball is going to stick to your nails. So make sure you really saturate it. Trust me on this one, you want to do this. And then this was the end result afterwards. No more tackiness or anything like that. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you for your love and support. I'll see you later. Bye.